our primary focus is bipolar, and we're going to take a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a transdisciplinary, and an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder.
Linguistics.
Yeah.
You know the theory of music. You're a musician.
Yeah.
I mean, I want this show to be different than the other show.
Dominate to fruition. Let's watch it materialize. I think the co-founders does a great job by.
This is like a geometric reference point for illustrating, let's say,
So they overlap at some given point in different areas.
Okay. You know, I want this show to be about teaching Jimmy. You know, maybe that's the game.
you know. So what determines the amplitude? What determines the frequency?
Around linguistics, because computational linguistics is centered around machines.
Interdisciplinary, where physics meets linguistics when it comes
In semantics, ambiguity, in
A musical theoretical analysis, a linguistic analysis.